This particular recipe takes me back to culinary school days where I used to make this for a bunch of friends. We used to plate it, look at it, and I used to eat the whole thing alone. Hi, I'm Chef Nehal Karkera. Let's make gnocchi in basil pesto with a touch of Europe. We take some potatoes that are going to get boiled, then they get mashed. Okay, remember, we are not kneading this. We don't want to make a dough. We're just gently folding everything together. And once that happens, we take it onto our work surface, roll it out into logs, and just cut small little pillows like you can see over here. If you want, additionally, you can take a fork and shape it, which is a very fancier way to do it. It's called the rigate, but this shape also works. Now, to cook the gnocchi, all you have to do is just get water to a boil, add enough salt. It should be very, very salty water. Add the gnocchi into this, and as soon as you see it float up, it's done. It's ready to be taken out. If you want, you can just drizzle a little bit of oil if you want to store it and have it later. So your gnocchi is done. It's time to make the basil pesto. We got some fresh basil leaves which have been shocked in some ice cold water. Pack it dry after that. This goes into your food processor with some garlic, some toasted pine nuts. We got a little bit of salt, and finally we add one of the stars of this dish, which is the pure extra virgin olive oil from Spain. It has that buttery flavor, that slight bitterness, which is absolutely crucial to make a great pesto, and will give it that authentic EU flavor. Take a pan, add a splash of pasta water to this, then goes in your basil pesto, mix it up, make a nice flowing sauce. Into this we add the boiled gnocchi that was prepared before. Now next goes in some fresh cream. Toss it up, make sure that sauce coats the gnocchi really beautifully, and that's about it. This is ready to be served. Now, someone very influential said, if you grate cheese on life, it becomes better. This, my friends, is the Parmigiano Reggiano PDO from Italy. This means the cheese is produced, aged, and perfected only in specific provinces of Italy. The PDO label guarantees that every step from sourcing of the milk to aging of the cheese happens within this defined region. It's this deep connection to its land and the tradition that gives Parmigiano Reggiano its distinctive flavor, texture, and quality. Let's add some more cheese. And that, my friends, is an easy gnocchi basil pesto that will help you bring that cafe-style magic at home. If you're trying this recipe, make sure you make it with ingredients that stand for quality, authenticity, sustainability, and safety. Pretty easy recipe to follow, so do try it at home today.